It's just how like things you do like that everybody does around you, how you're upbrought, like your upbringing and things.
Excuse me. If,
Like
if you were talking to me past 2 minutes, I actually wasn't listening at all.
I was just talking, man. It was just
Yeah, I'm really sorry, but my coworker called and he wanted to know some shit. I was like, yeah, whatever, man.
see, you missed it. His mom just yelled it for him.
Really? What was the name she yelled?
I'm not telling you, man. He'll be mad at me because I told him I'd never share that.
Hellhound, I'm gonna pay you for telling me your name. But I pay in hugs, so like 4 hugs. On a completely different topic, why is your microphone so low? Alright, alright.
Bro, if you right click his name, like click on him, you can adjust his volume. I do that a lot, man, because no one ever like there's no balance. You gotta balance it yourself to really sound alright.
Yeah, please, Hellhound, say something cool. Yeah, that's better.
What? I don't think you said anything.
Exactly, he's like the first mean Canadian I ever met.
No, his mom's. He's probably doing something for his mom right now, I imagine. Because I don't hear the mic rustling around, so yeah, he's probably doing something for his mom. No, he can't hear us either now because he uses headset.
Yeah, right. Oh, do you smoke cigarettes as well?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Can I
I
have
don't know,
some?
man.
Because I have none currently.
I need to quit, man. Really. Like
Yeah, I need to quit as well. But you know, the thing is, I don't smoke because I need to. I smoke because I can, basically. Like,
I fucking smoke a lot, man. Like probably a pack and a half a day.
I used to smoke a lot, and then one day I just said, "Fuck it, I quit," and I did
I did
because
that
I never
once.
had a problem to quit.
I did it once and it was hard as fuck, dude. But I did it and I quit smoking once for a year and once for 6 months and then like I started smoking again. Definitely an addiction, man. No doubt.
It is, but it has never been an addiction for me.
Right. My dad was the same way, man. He could like he smoked a pipe, you know, like pipe
Hmm.
tobacco.
That's,
But he never like he'd smoke for like 6 months and then just quit. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I'm done for a while. I don't get. I fucking thought you were AFK, dude, but I don't give a fuck because I didn't say anything that was fucking bad. So
yeah, but I can hear you better now, Hellhoundy.
no, he's not.
Like I said, he's the first mean Canadian I've ever met.
Yeah, Hellhound's Hellhound, dude. He's cool though. Yeah, whatever. It's all a fucking. He's a good dude. Don't even let him fool you. Yeah, he is. Don't even let him fool you. I don't give a fuck what you say. I know. I know fucking shit. I know everything. Yeah, yeah,
I'm just rolling some shit.
yeah.
Hey Chris,
Yeah, man.
if I visit Florida, can I stay at your place and pay you in pot?
As long as you don't kill my family and rape my dogs.
What the fuck?
I mean, eat your ducks, you know?
Whatever.
I thought that was Japan.
I don't know, man. You never know.
Yeah, like, but that's not really funny though. Like, when I was visiting my ex-girlfriend for the first time, and she was living in Slovakia, like 300 kilometers from here. Yeah, kilometers. Fuck you, America. So, I was like really afraid that she's gonna just like put me to sleep and steal my kidneys.
What? Dude,
I was like kind of paranoid, but then I
I
got high with
guess.
her.
Sounds like a pretty fun relationship.
Yeah, no shit.
But
Right.
that is like for the first time I've seen her, you know.
Oh, you met her
We,
online?
yeah, we met in Warcraft, you know.
What the hell?
Yeah, and we dated for 2 years.
That's cool, man. No,
It's
that's cool.
actually really cool.
I'd be like, are you gonna steal my kidneys tonight? Okay, cool. All right, we're all right then.
She was like, no.
All the kidneys.
And then I made sure that she can't say anything else. Because there were too many tongues in her mouth, you know?
What?
What the fuck?
I said there were too many tongues in her mouth, yeah.
Sounds pretty fun.
So like she was like had multi personality or what? Like, yeah, I'm Berta tonight. No, I'm fucking Rowena tonight. Yeah.
I know, what the hell?
Rowena.
What is that?
You never saw oh shit, what's the name of that fucking movie? Hold on. Ah, I gotta look this up because it's
You
been a
know,
long.
but
Biloxi
that,
Blues. Watch fucking Biloxi Blues, dude,
why?
because it is so fucking funny. You laugh your ass off.
Okay. But I don't understand the English though.
Oh bullshit! You understand English good enough.
Kiss ass.
We're talking to you now, right? I mean, we understand you. You understand us.
I don't know
This guy is a jerk.
I'll tell you, I love talking to you European guys, man, because really, most of the European guys I've talked to are like really cool and chill and like way different, dude. It's really cool, man.
Thank you, I'm flattered. Hashtag weirdest boner ever.
No.
Like my girlfriend was like really cool. We met for the first time, and she fucked me like really hard.
All men.
I was like,
that's
what?
good.
Yeah, but girls tend to do that. Like the girl I lost virginity to, she came over. We met online as well, and she
Holy
came
shit.
over to my place. I was 14, she was 16, and she fucked me and never called me again. And I was like heartbroken because I didn't realize that it was like, wow, I just had sex.
I remember my first time, man. I was 18 actually, and after that, it was just fucking horror on.
You know, but she break the law. I was 14.
Yeah, man, 2 years, man. What the fuck? That's not really that bad, honestly. I don't see that as a problem, honestly.
We can actually since our 15th.
Oh, that's cool, dude. See, Florida's fucked up. You gotta be. Get this. There's a law against having sex until you're 18 years old.
Yeah, probably.
I'm dead serious. And it's like, yeah, okay, try to enforce that.
They tried, probably.
They don't, though. They don't try. They know.
So like, if I like go to USA and hit on a really good 16 years old girl, I can't have sex with her.
Oh, you will go to jail. Only in Florida. So all states are
Okay,
different.
but what if? Listen carefully. What if? What if there's no witness of that crime?
Oh, if there's no witness and you impregnate her, then there's evidence.
But
if you
I
don't,
mean, like, no witness. Like, she would be the witness as well, right?
well, yeah, but if she's not like a crazy bitch, then you don't gotta worry about that.
Whoa.
But I mean, all fucking 16-year-old girls are crazy bitches. Hormones, man, fucking all that shit.
But like, I'm not gonna tell her my name. No, I'm gonna say, she's gonna be like, who are you? And I'm gonna be like, I'm Chris,
I'm the-
13217. You can find me in Discord, you know.
Then she would hear me and be like, no, that's not him.
That son of a bitch.
She'd see my picture and be like, nope, definitely not.
Oh, I actually look like you, Kappa.
Yeah, I know. I don't look like, I don't know. I got a weird look.
Can I have a full-size photo?
No.
Please. Please. I want a full-size photo. Hi, what's your name? My name's Christine, and what's yours? My name's Chris, 13217.
Look at this dumb fuck running up on me. What an idiot.
Hey dude, but seriously, what the number means?
Who's the cops?
It's just a number randomly